Air fried or pan fried salmon patties? What do you think? Welcome to the Chris&Teena project, and today let me give you the recipe to the salmon patties that we normally like to do. And as a side note, I'd like you to notice how awkward it is to actually film our cooking show with our precious viewers in mind. So I'm thinking about your point of view as I'm trying to do this, as I'm cutting and preparing the food in a very awkward manner. Talking about awkward, let's put on some music, shall we?
Bruh.
Everybody shake it, baby.
Even though we never really mention to subscribe, like, share, or comment, we really do benefit from it. Our channel will grow further if you keep subscribing, liking, commenting below. Thank you so much for your support and for watching this show.
Everybody shake it, baby.
Another thing I added was a spoonful of cornmeal. So here you try to mix everything. It's so hard to hold the camera and try to mix at the same time and trying to get the right angle. So, pardon. And here you have the salmon in a can, and we'll just open it up. And you can buy it from any store that you want. Just make sure that you drain it, and I just basically turn it upside down and let the juice all come out. One thing to remember when you are handling food, to always wash your hands before, after, during you're handling food, just to keep, germs and viruses away, and clean the surroundings of the area that you cook with and prepare food. Here we are turning the canned salmon over, and that's how it looks like. Voila, canned salmon. So the first thing you want to do is take off all the skin, the slimy part, and also the fish bones as well. So you just carefully have to go through them. Here you see I am doing right that. Just taking all the skin off. I mean, some people don't really mind it. I've heard that you can actually incorporate that and use the fish bones because they're not really that hard. But this is just our preference. So we take out all the skin and the salmon bones as well. And there you see some massive bones coming up. So I just wanted you to see that in slow motion, you want to make sure that you take those bones out. So one thing that we do want to bring to your attention so far is our music. Most of the background music that we use is copyright friendly. YouTube is very strict with the type of music that we use for our background. As a matter of fact, even my own music that I had as a recording artist, I cannot use. Some of the cover songs that we have get copyright strikes, but we still, post them for God's glory. But here, so this is just like background music that came with the editing app. So hope you still like it. Thank you for supporting us. We'll try to find more catchy background music for your viewing pleasure. How about that? Here's the handy dandy frying pan for the salmon patties to be fried. There you see them frying at, medium temperature. What I don't like about that is sometimes they fall apart and they splatter. And here we have the salmon patties in the air fryer. So it's at 400 at 10 minutes, but I'm gonna try 380 at like 6 minutes, and then I'll flip them around for another 6 minutes. On the left we have the pan fried, and on the right we have the air fried salmon patty. And let's see which one Chris will like better. That's the fried, like it's fallen apart a little bit. And then that one is the air fried patty.
This is air fried.
So let's find out which one he likes better, the air fried or the pan fried.
Which one's air fried?
That one's air fried and that one is pan fried.
Okay. I'm gonna try them like this first.
Okay.
It's good.
What do you think? Pan fried still?
They're both pretty close. This one tastes a lot healthier.
Really?
Yeah.
The only thing I added there so that it like binds together is a little bit of cheese. Just a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
Oh, you chose the air fried one?
Mm-hmm.
Tell me how you like the burnt biscuit.
It's good with the air fryer.
Yeah? So that's the one that you like? Y'all gotta understand, I keep ambushing Chris. That's why he looks like that every time. Like he's on the way to work, from the way to work, or, just woke up. So there. Thanks for your input, baby.
Yep, the air fryer was better.